Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. Thought we'd take a walk around and look at some of the wildflowers that are blooming. You know the old saying, April showers bring May flowers? Well, that was the case this time. Here we are at the cactus garden. Unfortunately, we missed the green strawberry hedgehog cactus bloom. They have a pretty good fruit. It tastes very similar to a strawberry, interestingly enough. It's not a whole lot of things blooming yet, but there's flowers on their way. On some of them you can see. This blackthorn prickly has some buds fixing to come out. There's a bicolored fan mustard. All the flowers out here are native flowers, so they're going to prefer dry climates, sandy, well-drained soil, full sun. This is a green leaf five eyes. Interesting little flower. If it starts raining, they'll thicken up through here and this will look like carpet. That's how thick they get over here. Got a very small globe mellow. Few birds over here enjoying the pond. This is a feather plume. The leaves haven't come out yet, but it's flowering. Not a real showy flower, but it's a flower nonetheless. This is a cat claw bush. It's catkin. You can see there's a bunch of them on there. Creosote is looking good. Typical creosote to have seeds on it from the last time it flowered and new flowers. Another one here doing the same. Not a whole lot blooming that way, just creosote, cat claw. Looks like my little diversion channel brought some water into the creek like it was supposed to finally. Fendler's bladder pod, and beside it's a little Asteraceae family. It's a beautiful sight, that water down there. Wish it would have rained more, but I'm not complaining. I'm happy to get that much. purple prairie verbena. A few more of the little Acacia family. Con tree's looking happy. Our other pecan tree, the very first one, looking good. This is a viscous acacia. The whole ranch smells like perfume because of these in bloom. A pleasant perfume as well. Little migratory finches. This is our mesquite that I've been trimming to turn it into a tree. Here's its catkin flower. Nice little patch of cat claw in bloom. Right here on the side of the road. Here we are at the site for the future water tank building. It'll be a nice view up here. I've got some ocotillo. Still in bloom. Starting to fade. It's got some more flowers going to come out here. This one didn't leaf out. Doesn't look like it got enough water from that rain event. The one next to it has some leaves. This one has some decent leaves coming out. Interesting plant. You can see signs of the mule deer being here. They like to eat these lechugia stalks. You can see almost every one of them are eaten from years back. Well, I hope you enjoyed the walk around looking at the wildflowers here at the ranch from the rain back in April. It's about a month ago. If you like what I'm doing out here and you want to help speed this project up so I can make a lot more things happen faster, there's a few ways to do that in the description of the video. Buy me a coffee is probably the easiest. There's also Amazon. Every little bit will get me closer to being out here at the ranch full time and make this build go a lot faster. See you on the next one. Thanks for watching.